I'm Dr. P.C. Jagadeesh, Chief Orthopedic Surgeon and Director of Robotic Surgery, Bandarghatta Road, Asra Hospitals. The success of the robotic knee replacement is 100%, I can say, because we are feeding all the details to the robo and we are getting data from that, how much, what is the cuts we are taking it, and once we execute over there, we are getting 100% perfection in that. Even the literature also proved that the success in the robo is 100% because there is no error for it, and we know that human error can happen, but here when we have fed everything in the the data, the whatever the gate feeds back will be completely 100% and execution also will be 100%. So in that way I can say that the robotic surgery is 100% very safe and effective.